Hi everyone, I'm Ashma and welcome back to my channel Merriness. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the Fab bag for the month of February. This bag is priced at rupees 600 for 1 month, and if you buy more number of months then the price reduces. As usual, this month too the Fab bag was delivered late to me. This has been a pattern over last 3 months and I have been complaining to them about it, but I don't see any changes and it still continues to get delivered late for me. So without wasting much time, let's quickly open and see the products. And before we begin, if you are new to my channel, please click the red color subscribe button, hit the bell icon and select options. There you can select all notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much, and now let's quickly get started. So as soon as I open the box, I can see this heart printed bag. The bag's quality seems to be good. They have their logo on top. It's like the usual bag which they always provide, and this is how it looks. The material is also the same, so there is not much changes except for the pattern on top for the bag. And inside this, then there were these information card, and there was this also in my Fab bag contest where you can participate by putting a picture of all the February products, and you just have to tag them so that you will have a chance to win the Monsub Gold Facial Mask. And moving on, the first product from the box is by NELF Cosmetics, and this is their HD high definition 24-hour stay foundation with SPF 15. Now talking about this product, well, this product also has a story behind it. While I was booking the Fab bag, I took the 3-month subscription, and like always on the 25th or on the 22nd of every month they sent a mail, and you have a choice to select the makeup product. But what happened is last month until the 29th of January I did not get any mails from the Fab bag team, and I had to myself send them a mail asking about what happened about the choices for the month of February. And after that they reverted back to me, and when I got on the mail and I went on the link to check the makeup product and to select a makeup product, there was nothing left except only this foundation from NELF Cosmetics. I was very disappointed because I actually didn't wanted a foundation right now, but I had no other choice but to select the foundation, and there were only color options available for this particular foundation. So it was very disappointing that they did not send the mail and then they did not provide a makeup choice. There was only one product and only the shade choice which was given. So I selected the 01 shade, and they had like only 3 shades available: 01, 02 and 03. This one is priced at ₹800 and 30 ml product, and the packaging was good. They did provide bubble wrapping individual products, so that was good so that the product did not get damaged. So this product was manufactured in 12/17 and it is best before 11/2020, and it's got this pump dispenser, so it's easier for you to pump, and it's still not coming out. Oh yeah, finally. Okay, so let's see if it matches my skin tone or no. I will try it out here so you have a better understanding, and I think I've taken a little more of product. So it's blending well, but I'm not so happy with the shade, and I couldn't have taken any darker shade from this. It's blending right now on my skin, but I will actually have to try it out on my face to see the proper results. And one pump of this foundation is more than enough to cover an entire face. So the next product is from Chronocare, and this is their Aromatherapy City Detox Face Wash. Now Fab bag is known to send Chronocare a lot because they have sent the face wash before, they have sent shower gels before, and I think they have also sent the massage therapy oils before from Chronocare. In fact, I loved the massage therapy oils. They are absolutely amazing from Chronocare. And now coming back to this face wash, this is for all all skin types, and it is free from sulfates, mineral oil, parabens and silicons and fragrances. It's a 30 ml sample pack. I have used this before, but honestly I did not like the effects of this particular face wash on my skin. I have a combination skin type, but it did not suit me quite well, and it made my skin very much drying, so I was not so happy with this particular face wash. So the third product is from Purple Essential Naturals Bath Salt. This is a 100-gram product, and it consists of peppermint oil, almond oil and olive oil. As you can see, I've removed the plastic covering and there is the oil all over this, so there is a chance of leakage. And this product is a relaxing bath salt. They've mentioned the directions of how to use. The manufacturing date is 11/2017 and the expiry is best before 18 months from the date of manufacturing. The only thing I did not like is the oil which is coming out. I actually don't like that, and this is how the bath salt looks like. The next product is from Major Crush by Ayushi. It's a nail lacquer, and it's a 9.9 ml product. It was manufactured in January 2018, and it is best before 24 months from the date of manufacturing. The shade which I got is number 103, and this is how the nail paint color looks like. It's like a dark maroon. So the next product is from Twerk, and this is their White Tea Rose Deep Pore Cleansing Exfoliating Scrub. It's a 50-gram product for normal to medium oily skin type, and here they have mentioned the uses of the rose and the corn derived glycolic acid. It says that it helps in removing the dead skin layer of the skin without any irritation, and then this glycolic acid penetrates to the deepest layers of the skin, and it helps to dissolves the pore clogging. And also apart from that, the rose acts as an antioxidant, and it also helps in skin lightening, removes acne, scars and blackheads, which is a good thing. Here is the ingredients list, and it is manufactured in 12/2017, and it is best before 24 months from the date of manufacturing. Again, it has no parabens, mineral oils, no GMO, and it is not tested on animals. It's eco-certified, and also it's made from organic farming. I'm not going to open this right now because I really have a lot of face scrubs with me right now. And apart from all this, they have also sent these 2 sachets of acne whitening clarifying face wash. I think last time also they had sent something like this, and this says that it soothes skin plus whitens skin tone. It's a 3-gram product. I do not believe in whitening, but yeah, this is what they have sent. Each sachet is priced at ₹5, and this is something where if you want to carry for travel purpose, you can carry. Other than that, please don't trust on the whitening effect. I don't think it happens. And it is manufactured in 2017, and it is best before 2019. So in all, these were all the products which I received in my fab bag for the month of February. Now if you go to ask me what is so fab about this month's bag, well, I would say I'm not sure actually, because I have mixed feelings for this bag. For 600 rupees, yes, you do get a full-sized makeup product from Nelf Cosmetics. It's a good thing, but I personally prefer lipsticks over foundation or even a compact, but I did not have a choice this month, so a little disappointed there. And other than that, they have sent a nail paint, bath salt, face scrub and face washes, 2 face washes, sample size both, and these were all the products. So it's like an okayish bag this month. I'm not so happy with this month's fab bag, and I hope next month will be more better than this month. Apart from that, I also have a 10% renewal offer because I've completed my 3-month subscription this month. So that's it for this video, and if you would like to buy the fab bag, then I will be putting all the details in the description tab for you all, so you can check that out. And That's it for this video. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful for you all to make a choice. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and thank you for watching Merriness.